Indoor, outdoor, low maintenance and permanent plants if you are a beginner. So in today's video I will be sharing with you some of the plants which are really very hardy but permanent and low maintenance. Even a beginner gardener can easily grow. Another easy to grow plant is this devil's backbone. They also grow from stems. A beginner gardener can easily grow them once they keep them in the semi-shade. When you bring this plant from a nursery, see that you keep it in the semi-shade, not the bright direct sunlight area. This is another wonderful house plant. A beginner gardener can easily grow them because these plants doesn't need much fertilizer. So this is another wonderful leafy plant, a variegated plant, low maintenance and permanent plant. So once you bring this plant from a nursery, don't overwater. See that it's in the semi-shade and you can grow this plant very healthily. Peperomia plants. Peperomia also grows from stems, very easy to grow. Only thing is, do not overwater. Keep it in the semi-shade or the partial to medium sunlight if you keep it outdoors. And this is another wonderful house plant. And also friends, you can grow these beautiful money pothos plants outdoors as well. Keep it in the partial to medium sunlight area. This is another variegated plant and a beginner gardener plant too. Money pothos are very easy to grow and maintain. These plants grow without fertilizer, but once you keep it at the right place. So what is the right place? Semi-shade, partial to medium sunlight areas. So these house plants are wonderful to grow outdoors, but make sure to keep them in the medium to partial sunlight. Spider plant, one of the trending plants, one of the easy to grow plant, and this is also another low maintenance and permanent plant. Air purification and also very easy to care. Once you bring one plant, you can multiply them very easily. A beginner gardener can easily grow this plant even without fertilizer. So this is another plant for a beginner gardener. You can grow them really very easily once you keep them indoors or else outdoors in the partial to medium sunlight area. This variegated leafy plant also will grow very healthily. These plants are ideal for hanging planters because of the baby rates, the spider rates they produce once the plant is mature. You can grow them beautifully as a hanging plant. When you go to a nursery and if you see this plant, don't forget to bring it home. This is another beautiful variegated leafy plant, a beautiful decorative plant for your home. Keep it indoors or at the entrance. And this is one of the best plants for your outdoor garden as well. It decor your garden, not only your home. So this is another low maintenance, permanent and a very hardy plant. Only need watering. Keep it moistured but not over watering, and keep it in the semi-shade. Earlier plant varieties also very decorative. They look so beautiful, and also these plants are very easy to grow. A beginner gardener can easily grow them. Keep it in the partial to medium sunlight area. This is another variegated leafy plant. So you can bring it from a nursery and keep it in the semi-shade in your outdoor garden, or else this is one of the best house plants for a beginner gardener. Snake plant, sansevieria and bird nest snake plant. So these varieties of snake plants are very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. This is ideal for a beginner gardener. No need of regular watering because this is very easy to grow and multiply. With a single leaf cutting you can grow them, or else you can multiply by dividing. Beautiful plants. You can grow them outdoors or indoors both. If you go to a nursery, take some wandering Jew plants. These are low maintenance and permanent plants which you can grow really very easily. If you are a beginner gardener, you will see that in no time they will grow really very fast. Put them in small planters and keep them indoors or outdoors. Decor your home or else your garden, and these plants grow with no time. So this is one of the plants even a lazy gardener or a beginner gardener can start up with. So have this wandering Jew plant in your plants collection. These plants grow really well in the partial to medium sunlight. You can grow from multiply from stem cuttings. Monstera. This is another plant for you to bring home from a nursery. Keep it in the semi-shade. These plants doesn't need daily watering and you can multiply easily with a stem cutting. Same way you do to pothos plants. So these are shade-loving plants, low maintenance and permanent, beginner gardeners plants, and also this is not necessary to water on regular basis. So easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent, and shade-loving plant. There are many varieties of the arrowhead plant. So this variety I have, and there is pink syngonium as well, so known as syngonium or arrowhead. This plant also doesn't need any fertilizer to grow. Once you bring it from a nursery, keep it in the shade, not in the bright direct sunlight area. So this is another permanent low maintenance plant for your garden. So this is pink syngonium. You can put them in a very small planter even. And look, I got this dwarf syngonium. It's a very small plant and in a small planter. Snow white plant, one of the beautiful decorative leafy plant. This plant also prefers a shade and one of the low maintenance and permanent plant. You can divide and multiply very easily. ZZ plant is a gem of a plant, must have plant in your indoor and outdoor garden both. This you can grow with a single stem cutting or else with a mature leaf. This is one of the feng shui plants too, so must have plants because very easy to grow, no need to regular water, and also this is one of the very easy to maintain plants and very hard to kill. So these are must have plants in your garden, and also they add so much of green and very attractive looking. Rubber plant, one of the low maintenance and permanent plant, one of the plants that you can grow indoors and outdoors both. This plant you can propagate with a single leaf cutting or a stem. So this also doesn't need much care, much fertilizer, but they will add your garden so much of beauty and attractive. Not only that, this will add so much of green. So their colors are amazing. The leaf pattern also the same. Erica palm plant. This is another must-have plant in your indoor plants or as your outdoor plants collection. This is ideal for indoors because this plant also prefers the semi-shade. You can place this plant in your outdoor garden as well. Easy to multiply by dividing. This plant you can't grow in small planters, grow them in bigger ample planters, providing them space to grow. So this is another wonderful plant for indoor and outdoor both.